Hi guys, today I'm discussing very important topic that is called how to adding for rich steep nets. What is a rich steep nets? That mean by if anybody is searching for Australian US, when you're searching time, we are showing for some frequent asked questions. This frequent asked question, how to adding for your particular website. That mean by rich results text. This is very important for FAQs and the particular Google Webmaster. First of all, I can go to the option will be Google Webmaster. If you see the Google Webmaster, here all options are there here. They're not done by FAQs option. Once done the FAQ option, that mean by rich results text. I'll show you how is it showing for your particular website. Before that, it is there or not, first of all, you can check. So I'm checking for here. If he's there, I'm showing to my website. Let us check here the webmaster. They'll show will be like this. FAQs. Error, valid warning, two valids. So everything will be checked here complete. Items will be here. So this will be finished for in a particular website. In a particular website, right now, no FAQs will be adding. In this purpose, this is the code for writing for where your question will be there. Question answers. This is all nothing but to writing a question and answers. So this all will be. This code will be valid for where into my website. We can search into blogs. We can update by tomorrow morning, complete with code. We can go to in the blog. We can read the each and every code will be there into blog option. What are the YouTube channel? I can make the videos. The complete code will be there into my Rocket Edison website into blog option. We can go to blog. What are the video we can make it? The complete code will be there. If you not find out the code, just you can sending for WhatsApp message. I'll send the code by through WhatsApp. Anytime you can chat with me. Any find out have questions, any kind of the issues, please raise me on my particular WhatsApp or my YouTube comment box. Now, this is FAQ box. Based on the question and answers, this will be question answer, question answers, question answer, question answer. This will give by the client. Based on the client, we can add it by the FAQs option. So based on that, I'm adding for every FAQs option. First of all, in this code, we have to check is it correct or wrong. This code compulsory we have to check before uploading on the particular website where we can check the page eligible for rich snippets. So this all will be here. Preview results. Here I'm adding for previous icon. Now, after adding for rich snippet, adding the code, text here, text the code. If we get any error, the schema rich snippet will be complete error option. Here the always showing for page is eligible for rich snippet. The showing will be like this. The result will be showing for like this, where in the particular Google option. Now in this website, nothing will be there. How to know that? If you go for rich snippets, if searching for website URL, text URL, they're showing right now only icon. Just time give the rich snippet will be only icon option. That is called favicon and give the rich snippets. This is a very important for each and every website to give the FAQs for each webmasters. That will be improve the search results. Search query will be improved by in the particular website. So in this will be here, just analyzing in this. Is there, but only for favicon I'm adding for as a rich snippets. That mean by rich result text. This information, everything will be there into my blog and read it. So now will be like this. Which one will be there? Only logo will be there, no question answers. Now adding this question answer into my website, where in this website, where our content will be there. Here I'm adding for options. In the footer, I can't disturb. I'm adding will be question answer will be here option. Now adding for using cPanel. Every website cPanel is mandatory. Don't use the FTP accounts. That will be hacked easily. So use everyone by using cPanel. Now I'm logging cPanel. Now I'm logging cPanel. Where our code will be there. Copy. Go to file manager. Depend on the website design developers. We can upload the code will be here. So I know that my website every coding, so updating will be everything into my website. So previous nothing is there. Now you can refresh. They coming for frequent last question here. Everything will be here. The 4 question will be added here. After this one, just we have to refresh for 2 times. Previous only icon will be there. Now go back, search the URL and text the URL. Previous what are the code will be there, close it. Here one question is there. So only we can add the home page or all pages. Depend on your needs. But individual blog, we can write individual FAQs better for the search and optimization purpose. So right now I'm writing only for home page purpose. We are showing more for home page purpose option. Here like this. When people search keyword, the search keyword will appear on the particular home page. The searching optimization for the particular rich snippet option. That is called rich result text. That is mean by we can search will be here. Anyone asking question? Here is the text purpose. We'll go for answer. Submit full URL import formats from the every option will be here. Here. How it is work. Here. Then call rich design for rights and the help search engine understanding the page purpose as accurately as possible. This means less guesswork for Google and more relevant results for the users. The showing will be like this. So this is the most important for each and every website. Now you can check. Previous what we can show logo. Now we can show will be question and answers. We have to check very important. Here will be my logo is there. Previous only logo is there. Now adding for 2 things. Logo will be Favicon purpose adding for which snippet. So this is the method we compulsory using for each and every website. The code will be there in my website, blog option, Rakesh Tech Solutions. Anything is required, please ask me on the WhatsApp chat. Definitely will be support for you. Please follow instructions and make it FAQs on each your website. Finally, it will show on your webmaster. So it is came, but it takes some time to show you will be in this option. So now is done. No? So once will be accurate will be done, the FAQs button will be showing to the in the particular option. Follow instructions, enable your rich results, ScriptNet, and show your FAQs on a particular website to increase the search results purpose. Thank you guys. For any questions about this one, please ask me. I definitely will be clarify your doubts. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please, if you want to like the video, please share, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.